Vandana, this side. Yeah, this side.
Yeah.
भाई शुगर भी ले लेना हाँ
Excuse me. Yeah.
चले
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Ma'am, this side.
मैम या
Yeah. Yeah. Straight.
अरविंद ये अरविंद अरे ट्राइपॉड पे करेंगे ट्राइपॉड पे लगा लोगे ब्रांडिंग यार
आवाज आ रही है ना हाँ जी Hi Mandana, first of
Hi.
all, congratulations
Thank
and
you.
happy Women's Day.
Thank you so much.
जो हैशटैग है I am more than my marriage.
Yes.
क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप इस बारे में and what is your thought on that?
Sure. Hi everyone. First thing that happy Women's Day to you as well. And so basically I'm starting a YouTube channel from today onward. And we make small videos, and in the videos we talk about marriage. And basically we talk about I am more than my marriage. That means when you get married, or you are maybe you're not even married, right? It doesn't define who you are. It doesn't define your individuality, and so basically it talks about marriage. Yeah, and today we have a few amazing women, which they're gonna talk about marriage and women empowerment and Women's Day. Well, we don't need a day to celebrate women, but we've just used the opportunity today to just talk about Women's Day. Yeah. हाँ जी.
Talking about your personal life,
हाँ जी.
आपकी भी एक crisis हुई थी.
हाँ जी.
So is there going to be like an experience? So उस experience से आप बात करना चाहते हैं YouTube पे and you want to spread some awareness or spread some kind of thought about it. उस बारे में कुछ है?
Yes, of course, because I had many days for past 9 months that I was feeling really low. I thought that my life is over, and how I'm going to start again from over. Because when you decide to get married, you never think that such a horrible thing can happen to you. But then you kind of figure out your life. You have to be strong. You have to start over again, and I would love to share my experience with all the other girls, and that it doesn't really matters if you've gone something through so drastic and so horrible in your life. You kind of pick up the pieces, and as a woman, as all of you are, we are really strong, and we're gonna start over again. And yes, I want to share my experience with my fans and with all the other girls there. Yeah.
Okay. How have you built up your whole fitness, with the help of Reset? Because आप उनके साथ एक collaboration भी
Yes,
करते हैं.
yes.
So tell us something, how have you done that?
Well, Reset is very close to my house, and it's one of those amazing places that they've got the outdoor area, they've got the yoga classes, and they've got the dance studio. They've got the whole really nice setup of weight training. So I'm really enjoying working out here, and I'm really blessed to have my old trainer as well in this gym. And yeah, it's a lovely place. It's as you say. Also today I have my event as well in this location, and it's gorgeous. Yeah.
they are starting up with some self-defense course for the women.
Yeah.
That is coming up with it,
Yeah.
especially for Women's Day के हिसाब
Yeah.
से उन्होंने ये plan किया है. तो
Yeah.
उसमें आप कितना भाग लेंगे and क्या कहना चाहते हो इस बारे में?
So, as all of you guys know, I'm playing a lot of football, and I do own a company now, which we are providing sports for the slum kids. So my girls team, they're gonna be having the first class here in Reset, and yes, it's a self defense for girls, and yes, we're gonna start it from this week onward.
क्या मंदना, क्या आपको भी लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में मार्शल आर्ट्स कंपलसरी कर देना चाहिए लड़कियों के लिए?
I don't know if it should be a must or not, but what I believe is that we need to start thinking about it in a different way. That our kids, they need the X factor. Not everyone have to be a doctor or an engineer. You don't have to become a doctor or an engineer and you're gonna be happy. You know, you need that X factor. And I feel like through sports you can teach the children a lot, especially for our girls. Because to be honest, for me, in my own experience, when I had these really low days, playing sports and playing football, it helped me a lot to get back to work and to kind of stay strong. So I think yes, I strongly believe not only martial art, not only judo, not only football. I think sports is really important and it should be part of our young generation. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. What's next? कहाँ कब दिखाई देगी आप बड़े पर्दे पे या are you planning something on television again? कुछ बताइए उस बारे में.
Yeah, so I just finished shooting a feature film around a month ago, and I'm looking really forward for the announcement of the film. And yes, so a movie.
किसके साथ
Yeah.
काम करे कुछ तो बताइए.
I was working with Rahul Bose and Tiska Chopra. They are my co-stars, and yes, तो इतना बता सकते हैं.
Ideal female icons?
See, whenever I'm looking for icons or ideal women, there are too many of them around us. You know, from my mate, from the NGO that I work, from the women who are part of that
Most
NGO.
influential.
The most influence, I think, all the strong women who have amazing stories that in one point of their life, they thought their life is over. They had nothing to look forward. They lost their family. They lost everything. They lost money. They lost jobs. So I think all the women who are basically you can pick expression like every day from around you. So yeah.
So according to you, you feel there's a women empowerment?
If there is any, I don't know if there is any, but I think what I can say is that time is changing. And a lot of look around, maybe like 5 years ago or 10 years ago, women, they didn't have any voice, but now we have the first woman who goes to the moon, the first woman that there are a lot of girls, there's a lot of good work is happening, there are a lot of strong women are coming up and talking about everything basically. Yeah.
स्पेशल डे वुमेन्स के लिए
हाँ
आज
जी.
हमारी दृष्टि देवी जी देंगी
हाँ जी.
कितना मिस कर रहे हैं आप?
मेरा देश का कितना मिस कर रही हूँ? Oh, Shridevi. Oh, sorry. It's really sad. It's always really heartbreaking to lose an artist, someone like her, because I believe they're not gonna be anyone like her anymore. And it's really sad. And what is even more sad that her daughter, she just turned 21, and but I'm sure she's really proud of her mother, and I'm sure she's celebrating her mother today. So yeah, God bless her.
So on this Women Day occasion, you want to flourish any of the message for her?
For who?
For Sri Devi.
I'm not really good with all this, but I'm sure she's in a better place, and I'm sure she's from heaven. She's looking at her daughter, and very soon also she's going to be part of movie industry, and I'm sure she's going to be really proud of her daughter. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Begin?
Yeah,
Where
sure.
are you? अरे यार.
It's Women's Day. Don't trouble her too much.
Yeah, thank you.
At least for one day, no?
Chalo rolling, okay. Hi everyone. मान, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। हैप्पी वुमेंस डे सबसे पहले।
Thank you.
हम बात करना चाहते हैं सर आपसे सबसे पहले कि रीसेट के आप ओनर हैं एंड एक होलिस्टिक लिविंग जो है आप उसको प्रमोट करिए, ट्राइंग टू प्रमोट दैट फॉर वुमेन। सो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़ फॉर वुमेन टू हैव अ बैलेंस्ड होलिस्टिक लिविंग?
I think women, to achieve success in life, they have to have a foundation of great health. Today, health has become mainly about women and men dieting and doing these fat exercise programs. In holistic health, we like to focus on balanced nutrition, the right amount of exercise for their body type, the good quality sleep, and emotional detoxification. Because women are successful today, but the amount of stress, I'm into integrative medicine, and most women who have problems come to me, the root cause is emotional stress, which is brought about by relationships that they're not happy being in, and so many different things. So I think the important thing is when you holistically have an approach towards health, you look at all of these 4 paradigms, and I believe that a lot of diseases that women have today can be prevented if they focus on holistic living and holistic health.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली। मैम आपसे ये सवाल है कि जो हैशटैग है आई एम मोर देन वुमन, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना
I am more than my marriage.
आई एम मोर देन सॉरी।
एक्चुअली मैं उसको थोड़ा टर्न अराउंड करना चाहूँगी और मैं आपसे एक थोड़े डिफरेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी जिसके लिए मैं यहाँ हूँ और जिसको जो इनिशिएटिव है मेरा नाम आकांक्षा है और मेरा इनिशिएटिव है आकांक्षा अगेंस्ट हैरेसमेंट। और ये रिलेटेड है दोनों हैशटैग और इससे। आकांक्षा अगेंस्ट हैरेसमेंट इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा सोशल इम्पैक्ट इनिशिएटिव है साइबर हैरेसमेंट के अगेंस्ट, और ये स्पेसिफिकली गर्ल चिल्ड्रन और विमेन के लिए है और इसके लिए मैं इंडियन पुलिस के साथ काम करती हूँ और ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है बिकॉज यू मे नॉट नो राइट नाउ बट द स्टेटिस्टिक्स फॉर साइबर हैरेसमेंट स्पेशली अबाउट गर्ल चिल्ड्रन एंड विमेन आर स्टार्टलिंग and it's a problem which has to be tackled right from primary school level to entrepreneurs, to parents and to parents of parents. And this is really what I'm doing and this is what I lead and I'm happy to talk about that.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। एंड Mandana, what do you have to say about this event?
Well, today I'm launching my YouTube channel, as I told you before, and I'm going to be talking about marriage and basically just women in general, right? That the unfortunate is in our society, if you are not married, you are not successful. And you will see the video today. It's actually this hashtag, I'm more than my marriage, and I have spoken about my personal experience and how you can be actually a strong woman and you can pick the pieces and just start over again.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। सो आप सब एक साथ आए हैं टू सेलिब्रेट ऑफ कोर्स वुमेनहुड एंड आल्सो टू हेल्प वुमेन जिनको ज़रूरत है, बी इट हेल्दी लिविंग है या हरासमेंट है या इवन पिकिंग अप द पीसेस इफ़ यू हैव अ ब्रोकन मैरिज। तो उस बारे में आप बात करें तो एक और अगर एक इंस्पिरेशन की बात अगर हम बात करें वुमेन के लिए तो वो क्या होगी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उस बारे में?
I think inspiration of women is women themselves. All around us you look, and I don't think it's as much about man versus women. I think we have to celebrate people. And we have to celebrate people who are successful even in small measures, everyday life. A teacher may be, someone we want to celebrate, our house help is someone we want to celebrate. So I think it has to be more about celebrating each other as people.
Yeah.
That's what I would say.
Absolutely
if
agree.
there's need of one law, अगर एक law की बात करें जो एक woman की safety के लिए आना चाहिए या एक woman को जो help करे, ऐसा कोई आपको आपके दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ है जो एक law India needs it right now? If there's something like that you want to talk about?
I think I should
Yeah.
just
Yeah,
address
she's-
that
yeah,
because
she's-
I work with the Indian police across the country. I don't think that there's no paucity of laws, and the IPC and the IT Act together are quite sufficient to cover every crime. I think what we really need is a few speedy trials and making examples of those judgments. That's all we need. But our police officers are very capable and they're catching up. Nobody can get away.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Amaya.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks.
One second. Please. You can also sit with, I think. No, actually. No, this is fine. Girls, just come this side a little bit. Shushma, keep the ball with you. One knee up, right? How we sit as a team? We don't sit like that as a team. One knee up, right? Right.
Madam, ball is 2 down. It should
Either it should hold or it should.
Hold it, Shushma.
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
Too much distance between the ball and the.
Ready?
Okay. सामने दे.
Okay. Now we do only the thing.
One.
Thank you.
Can you come to
Yeah,
that?
just wait. What's it now, you guys?
Whenever it is two pose.
Huh?
The photograph is two posing photographs.
This is the football pose.
Yeah, I know.
If
but,
I didn't have a dress, I would have also.
And you can cut it off.
Hi Sahil.
हाय
Yes, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज वुमेन्स डे है?
जब मैं यहाँ आ रहा था मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे आई वाज मेकिंग दी स्टोरीज दैट women firstly I think every day is women's day. Every day is women's day. I don't know आज हमने क्यों अलग से स्पेशल ये दिन दिया है officially, but I think पूरा साल is women's day. I think अगर if women weren't there, this planet would definitely mean nothing. And I genuinely think that there is so much bias towards women. I mean, I would rather say like women are not treated equally. So gender equality is something we should definitely look for because men and women are equal. And one thing that really bothers me is me, not personally, obviously, because I don't have to go through it, but I see it happening around me with my friends and my family. There are so many tags that women are given that by this age you have to do this, then you have to do that, you have to behave like this, behave like that. Please don't do that. Live your life on your own terms. Be whatever you want to be, just like the men. We are all the same. Yeah, so be yourselves and enjoy your day. This is officially your day, but the entire year is yours. Let's just put it that way.
बिल्कुल Sahil. What's next coming up? What projects are you working on?
I'm doing something with Nikhil Advani next.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but we'll talk about it in detail when officially we can give out the details. But yeah, we'll start very
So
soon.
how are you celebrating Women's Day?
I'm celebrating Women's Day with you guys. Yeah, you guys like it's so special. It's such a beautiful place, terrace, Bombay view. And of course, so it's that's how I'm celebrating Women's Day. And I wish my mom. In fact, मैं 9 बजे तक सुबह उन्हें phone नहीं किया था. She called me. She's like, तुम्हें पता है आज Women's Day है? So I think I goofed up there. So next time I'll be better. Yeah.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Amanda.
Thank you. Thank you. Pleasure.
you.
Pleasure.
The questions? Okay. You're just gonna.
to ask the question.
Okay, perfect.
You have to look at the camera.
Okay, perfect. So windy.
Sarah, first of all,
Yes.
you looking very pretty.
Thank you very much. I really
So-
appreciate it.
Today is a special day for the
Yes.
women. So what do you like to say that today is a women's
I
day?
mean, this entire year has just been so empowering, not just in the entertainment business, but all around, particularly for women. And it's just so empowering and beautiful that everybody can come together and celebrate today, the International Women's Day, and I'm really, really happy about it.
Okay, everyone has their inspiration in their life.
Yes.
Whether it's a mother, it's a sister, anything. So who's your inspiration in your life?
I mean, I think every woman, I mean, all the women out there, I mean, you meet people, they just inspire you. You meet a stranger and they have just had such a different sort of a complete different background from you, and you just feel like, oh my God, I've not done anything compared to this person. And I just feel like every girl out there is just inspiring, and even boys, I mean, everybody's inspiring. They're doing the best they can, and I'm just inspired by everybody every day. it's just a great feeling.
Okay, so any special message you'd like to give to all the viewers who are watching you?
To all the people that are watching me, just have fun, do whatever you want to do, chase your dream, be ambitious, and just have fun, basically, you know.
Thank you, ma'am.